Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to deactivate Facebook account on mobile. So if you want to deactivate your Facebook account on mobile, then I'll show you guys exactly how to do it in this video today. It's really simple, so let's just hop right into it. So first things first, head over to your Facebook app, and once you're on your Facebook app, go to your menu, which is in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your menu, you're going to want to scroll down until you see these three options right here: help and support, settings and privacy, and also from Meta. You want to drop down settings and privacy and find the settings option. Now, once you find the settings option, it should be at the top. Once you find it, just click on it and then it will bring you to the settings page on Facebook. So it should be in the top of the settings and privacy option, and it'll bring you to the settings and privacy page. Now from here, to delete your account, you're going to want to click on the Meta Account Center. And once you click on that, you're going to want to find personal details, which is in account settings. Now, once you find personal details, you're just going to want to click on it, and once you click on it, it's going to bring you to the next page here. And on this page, you're going to want to click on account ownership and control. Once you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page here. And you're going to want to click deactivation or deletion. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and you have to choose which account you want to deactivate or delete. So choose the account that you want to delete, and then you're going to be brought to this page here, and then it'll ask you if you want to deactivate your account or delete your account. So deactivating your account is temporary and deleting your account is permanent. So decide which one you want to do, and we'll be deactivating your account. So after that, for security, you're going to have to put in your password. So put in your password, and once you put it in, you just have to click continue, and it'll bring you to the next page here, deactivating your Facebook account. You can choose any reason you want here, and you can click continue. It's going to talk about this, and then what you want to do though, if you don't want to automatically reactivate your account, then make sure you choose don't reactivate automatically. Otherwise, it will reactivate your account after a certain amount of days. Once you do that, you can just click continue, and then it will ask if you want to deactivate your account one more time. So you just click deactivate my account, and then it will completely deactivate your account until you log back in. So if you log back into your account, that will reactivate it, so keep that in mind. But that is how you deactivate your account on Facebook on mobile. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.